the rolling bread. This is an old story that comes from Norway. Once, there lived a mother that lived with 7 children in a village. Children, I'm going to make you delicious bread today. The mother made a round dough. The children's mouths started to water.
Mommy, I want lots of bread. Me too. The most precious mother in the world, me too. The kindest mother in the world, me too. The most precious and kindest and prettiest mother in the world, me too. The most precious and kindest and prettiest and nicest mother in the world, me too. The most precious and kindest and prettiest and nicest and the coolest mother in the world, me too.
The 7 children said in order. Wait a little bit. I just need to toast it on a fry pan. I'm going to flip it. But as she flipped it, the bread popped out of the pan and rolled across the floor. The bread passed the kitchen door, the front door, and rolled to the alley. Rolling and rolling. Mother and 7 children ran after the bread. The bread rolled and ran into an old man.
Heh, that's a delicious-looking bread. Shall I take a bite?
Then the bread said,
No, no. A lady and 7 children are chasing me now.
The bread rolled again. The old man followed the bread. The bread rolled and ran into a rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's a delicious bread. Shall I take a bite?
Then the bread said,
No, no. A lady and 7 children and an old man are chasing me now.
The bread rolled again. The rooster cried, "Cock-a-doodle!" and followed. The bread rolled and ran into a duck.
Quack, quack. That's a delicious bread. Shall I take a bite? No, no. A lady and 7 children and an old man and a rooster are chasing me now.
The bread rolled again. The duck cried, "Quack!" and followed. The bread rolled and ran into a cat.
Meow. That's a delicious bread. Shall I take a bite? No, no. A lady and 7 children and an old man and a rooster and a duck are chasing me now.
The bread rolled again. The cat cried,
Meow.
and followed. The bread rolled and ran into a pig.
Oink, oink. That's a delicious bread. But hey, where are you rushing to? I'm breathless. A lady and 7 children and an old man and a rooster and a duck and a cat are chasing me now.
Oh my, you must be lonely to run away alone. Should I go with you?
So the bread started running with the pig. Soon, a small stream appeared.
Bread, get on my nose. I'll help you cross the stream.
Thank you, Pig! The bread jumped onto the pig's nose. But, oh my goodness! What's that a delicious smell? Once the pig smelled the bread, it swallowed the bread away.